Hi all, welcome to your channel DIY Home and Living. Today we are going to make multi-purpose organizer with oil can, which can be used for different storage purposes. As the saying goes, anything is waste only when it is wasted, but here we are going to turn waste to wow. It's very easy to make, sturdy and also beautiful looking. Mark on the oil can with sketch pen in order to cut. I am cutting the oil can by heating the knife so that it's very easy to cut. To cover the organizer from outside, I am using an old pant cloth. Make two holes on the lengthier side of the oil can and one hole each on the sides as shown. The holes can easily be made by heating a screwdriver or a scissor. Uses of these holes you will get to know in the later part of the video. Do subscribe to our channel for more such best out of waste ideas and do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for our future videos. Now I am covering the oil can as shown with the cloth not up to the top, just topping before the holes made by me. Cut the cloth from the bottom and stick the same, or you can also stitch it in the bottom. To cover the inner part of the organizer, I am using a shopping bag readily available in any house. Cut the handles of the shopping bag and roll from the top as shown. Now place the bag in the organizer as shown. To beautify this organizer, I am using handmade satin ribbon roses. Do refer to the end screen for the video tutorial of these roses. I am attaching these leaves and sticking the roses as shown, adding these feathers so that they look more pretty. You can use this organizer as a desk organizer, or you can hang the same anywhere with the help of these type of command hooks. Just stick on the wall and insert the hooks in these holes which I had made earlier. You can also use S-hooks or curtain rings to hang it on your window, balcony grill, etc. Here I have organized kitchen towels in it. You can hang it near your kitchen sink with dishwash scrub, dishwash liquid and your hand gloves. This is really sturdy. You can hang your packed spices boxes too, or your lids and small trays in it. This can also be used in bathroom to organize your hairdryer, hair straightener and disinfectant liquid. I have made 2 organizers with 2 oil cans. Now I am taking a synthetic rope and inserting in the side hole of one organizer and affixing the same with a knot. Take the same rope, make a knot and insert it on the other organizer basket too, as shown. Do let me know by commenting below, according to you, what else this organizer can be used for. Now take the rope and insert on other side holes of the organizer basket and knot it. Insert it in the beneath organizer basket and knot it. I have left extra rope inside to adjust the length of the organizer whenever required. Now put in the cloth bags. Your hanging 2-rack organizer is now ready to use. You can use it to organize your hand and face towels, to organize your dupattas and leggings, it can also be used as a shower caddy to store your soap, shampoos, bathing salts, etc. It's very sturdy, easy to use, easy to maintain and beautiful to look. A real wow out of waste, isn't it? If you like this idea, do not forget to like this video. Do check out our future videos and do take care of yourself. Bye.